Are you looking for the best TIG welders? In this video we will look at some of the best TIG welders on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. AHP AlphaTIG 200 Amp AC DC TIG Welder. This 200 AAC DC TIG machine is perfect for aluminum, stainless steel, and mild steel fabrication. It also comes with a torch package that includes a WP17V torch, flex head valve torch, and power adapter. It allows you to use TIG torches ranging from 150 to 250 amps. The digital display facilitates the exact setting of the required parameters and includes a memory setting feature. You can adjust the machine's pulse frequency from 0.5 Hz to 200 Hz. The front panel controls also allow adjustment of AC balance, frequency, and AC. The metal case protects the advanced electronics, providing long life in rugged environments. All in all, we think this is the best TIG welder you can buy this year. At number 2. HF 200 Amp TIG, an arcade portable inverter welder. The HF 200 Amp TIG, an arcade portable inverter welder, is a compact but durable TIG welding machine. No doubt, it's one of the best welders in the market, carrying all the power you need. With its portability, you can move it around without breaking a sweat. This welder can produce a powerful 200 amp weld. Put this unit together with 200 amp of power, and it's suited to do almost all welds you can imagine in your small steel garage or workshop. It is one of the most affordable AC/DC inverter welders on the market. It's an absolute bargain. The HF 200 Amp TIG, an arcade portable inverter welder, is an excellent option for beginners and light application users. This compact machine can handle all types of metal. It also has plenty of power. At number 3. Weldpro TIG AC DC 200 Amp Digital TIG. Weldpro Digital TIG/stick welder is a 120V and 240V machine. It welds aluminum, stainless steel, and mild steel. The welding machine includes advanced features such as very high starting amperage of 200A. You can set the adjustable pulse welds from 0.1 to 1 second. This digital display device is user-friendly. It has an adjustable frequency in fully automated cleaning modes. And the best part, it comes with an extra torch attached to the main device. Weldpro TIG AC DC Digital TIG/stick welder comes at a reasonable price. It's an excellent option for your welding shop if you're running low on budget. It has many professional level functions and features. It can operate in both the AC and DC modes. Whether you are an enthusiast or a professional, this unit offers functionality for home and industrial uses. At number 4. PRIMEWELD TIG 225X IGBT 225 Amp TIG. The PRIMEWELD TIG 225X IGBT 225 Amp TIG/stick welder is an excellent choice, ideal for light industrial manufacturing and construction applications, maintenance services, and repairs. The unit has a dual voltage of 220V/110V and a power output of 200 amps. It makes it the most reliable option to cut through tough materials with ease. It can weld steel and stainless steel ranging from 22 gauge to 1/4 inch thick. It features a design with a transistor. The unit produces dependable performance in a small package. But the biggest selling point of this welder is its high duty cycle. The TIG welder has upgraded features. It protects against surge control, arc blow control, and overheat protection. It delivers excellent performance in all welding conditions, from home to industrial settings. The included foot pedal makes it easy to control the welding arc manually. Also, it gives you control over your welding speed. At number 5. Amico 225 Amp High-Frequency TIG. One of the best TIG welders is the Amico High-Frequency TIG welding machine. You can use it for welding steel, alloy steel, stainless steel, nickel alloys, copper, brass, and bronze. It comes with a dual voltage input that can work with 110/220 volts. One excellent feature of the TIG welder is an adjustable pulse frequency from 0 to 200 Hz. It'll allow you to get a crisp and clean weld result. Besides, it also has advanced inverter technology that offers greater control. The unit uses IGBT technology that makes its performance more powerful, efficient, and reliable. It also comes with a digital display for easy operation. The Amico welding machine is a 225 amp welder that you can use as a stick, TIG, or arc aluminum welder. It's a perfect choice for small welding projects and repairs. This TIG welder is also lightweight, making it easy to use when doing repetitive welding tasks. At number 6. Mophorn 160 amp dual voltage TIG and stick welder. Mophorn is a high-end quality TIG welder. It's characterized by metal aluminum construction. Also, it's a 160 amp machine with the best features in the market. It can weld aluminum or steel, thanks to its HF start. The amazing machine has two voltage systems of 115V and 230V that you can use depending on your preference. There's also a transformer circuit installed to change the input when needed. This machine is effective for the hobbyist or extremist outdoor worker, as you can use it in all weather conditions. The stick welding capabilities make it ideal for those that need to weld outdoors without extra equipment. The digital display makes it easy to adjust the settings as needed, including the power frequency and arc force. There is a switch to protect it from short-circuit damage. Also, this TIG welder has an anti-overheating system that ensures long working life.